Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I'm going to my car. I'm gonna basically show you guys exactly why I love Lyft driving. I love driving for Lyft. It's super fun, but also it's a great way to make some extra money. This is a day late. I wanted to make this video yesterday, but I had some things. So basically I'm gonna be going over earnings from 2 days ago when I went out driving for Lyft, and I'm gonna hop into it. But before I do, guys, I just wanted to say, sorry, somebody's like, probably, what the heck is this guy vlogging in public? I just wanted to say, guys, if you haven't yet downloaded the GetUpside app, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. It's a way to get discounts on gas, and they're launching in markets all the time. So even if they're not in your market yet, still use my link and sign up today. It takes 2 minutes to sign up. I pretty much get free gas at this point because you get 25 cents off per gallon, not even per fill up, but per gallon. So if you're doing I have a 14-gallon tank, that's 25 cents off. You know, that's a few bucks right there. And I just get it for Amazon gift cards because I shop on Amazon so much. So I pretty much just get free stuff on Amazon all the time. But yeah, and then for life, you pretty much get 1 or 2 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up. And then you can refer other people using your link, and then you also get 1 cent off. So yeah, check out the GetUpside app. I have discounts in my area. I'm gonna make a video filling up and showing you guys how it works. But yeah, use the GetUpside app. Guys, I just want to show you, this is where I want to start getting a little bit more personal with you guys. Basically just showing you where I live, what I do. Well, not what I do, but I'm a Lyft driver, as you guys know, and Uber. That's hot. I just burned my tongue. But yeah, guys, let me just show you. I don't want you guys to figure out exactly where I live, but, well, this is not where I live. This is just where I'm staying for the meantime. I don't currently have a long-term place that I'm living at. I'm still kind of on the short-term thing. So I don't know if you guys have been like that, but look at this view, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at this. There's my car right there. I had to park there because, let's just go down here really quick, guys. Just show you this little view. It's pretty much, I mean, if you guys can figure out where this is, you know, it's like a 1-minute walk down, but I guess you guys won't figure out exactly where I live, but this is right down the street from me. Look at this sick view, guys. God, I love this view. Look how dope this is, guys. I'm gonna get into the earnings soon, but I just want to show, like, you know, this is I'm not gonna go down and walk down there right now, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, what's your motivation, you know? This isn't my motivation. Like, you know, I love going down to the beach and just relaxing and meditating. It's so good to just, especially when you're driving a lot, like, to just take those moments in, you know, take a lunch break, like, take an hour off, chill, relax, go to the beach, sit down, chill. I don't know, maybe you guys are driving in Chicago or something where it's super freaking cold, but you guys have a beach there too, you know? Just chill by the beach and relax. I don't know let me know what you guys do on your lunch breaks. But anyways, guys, this whole video is why I love driving for Lyft. I met a great guy the other day. He fixed up cars and we talked about cars for a while. And anyways, I'm gonna hop in my car here and go over my earnings with you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have been requesting to see my earnings. I mean, there's a couple people who, for whatever reason, don't even think I drive, which would be just silly. That's just a silly thought, but, you know, you're always gonna have haters. Always gonna have haters. Especially when you're like, becoming successful. Like, I don't think my channel's successful at all. 20,000 subscribers, I think that's nothing. I follow people with like 1 million subscribers, and even 1 million this day is not even that much. So if I get to 1 million, I don't even think I'll be satisfied, but I am trying to get to 100,000 by the end of the year. So if you guys can, if you're not subscribed yet and you can get, I can't even talk. I need the air conditioning on, it's already hot out. If you're not subscribed yet to this channel, if you can hit that subscribe button, I'm trying to get to 100,000 by the end of the year. So we have about 2.5 months, or whenever you're watching this, you know, maybe we hit that or maybe we didn't, but yeah, let me pop up my screen here, and then yeah, let's go over the earnings. A lot of people were also asking whether or not I use the AMP or the normal stickers. I just use these normal Lyft stickers. Also, somebody thought that somebody saw a video that I took and saw that I didn't have my Lyft stickers on. I take off my Lyft stickers whenever I'm done driving. I don't know about you guys. Even in between driving, on my lunch break, I take the stickers off because cops are strict with drivers, especially if you accidentally go into an airport without your stickers on, and I don't know, it's just a whole mess. Or if you do have your stickers on, you can get a ticket without the placard, so whatever. I only drive part-time, so I drive my friends around a lot, and I don't want all my friends knowing that I drive for Lyft. It's not something I'm like comfortable. I don't know, it's like weird. Like I don't want that to be my first impression when I'm going on a date. You know, I'm not gonna have my Lyft stickers on all the time. But yeah, this is what I use. If you guys can see that. But anyways, let's go. Let's drive around here because there's a lot of people around here. I don't know. Let's go to a more lit area. Yeah, guys. Let me know what your goal is for. I know it is heading into the new year. I know it's still a few ways away, but let me know what your goal is for next year. At least for me this year, is to hit 100,000 subscribers. And I think we can do it. I really do. I know you guys are awesome. I know you guys are, you know, you guys have so much power. I'm driving without my seatbelt on. You guys are great. Like, I wouldn't be here without you guys. So yeah, if you guys can either share one of these videos with a friend or post it on Facebook, or even just liking the videos and commenting, that helps out a lot. Watching the ads on my videos, that helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. But anyways, let me find a spot here. Oh yeah, and then let me know what you guys do where you guys go on your lunch breaks. I am pretty curious. Like I said, I usually try to go to the beach if I can. But if not, then I don't know. I usually just go to a Starbucks or something and chill. Ooh, this is nice, a nice shaded area. That way it's not so freaking hot. Okay, let me pop up my screen here and let's go over the earnings. All right, guys, so I want to go over my earnings from Tuesday that I went out. I don't want to show you guys my location, but I am in Orange County, so you guys can, whatever, you guys can see there. But yeah, let's just go over here. This is my earnings so far for the week. $176. But you see right there, only one ride. So yeah, I'll get into that. 1 hour, 58 minutes online. Guys, I really like driving part-time. And I really only drive on Friday and Saturday night. I wasn't gonna make a video on my earnings until the weekend, but I had nothing to do on Tuesday, and I said, you know what, let me go out and make a couple extra bucks. So let's just go over here really quick into my dashboard. So here are my earnings for the week so far. So as you can see, $176.29, like I said. Book time is $134. Online time, $158. So I honestly, guys, would hesitate to even look at online time, because for me, online time, I turn on my app before I even leave my house. I'm sitting inside on my computer watching YouTube videos or watching whatever, and I go online. I'm not working. I don't count that as time really working. And in between rides, I really am not waiting at all. sorry, there's literally a dog running around. Wait, guys, this lady's trying to catch her dog. Do you guys see that? Do you see this? Let's see if the dog runs out. Watch. Do you see this? Come on, come on. Ah. Okay, so basically what I was saying is for me, I always look at the book time just because I don't really count the time where I'm just sitting inside waiting in my house or in between rides. I always bring my laptop and do other work, or I read a book. I mean, yeah, it is my time, but I don't really count that as working. So my ride earnings, $60 for one ride. And let's just go to that. Can I go to that ride? Here we go. Oh, it doesn't show where the ride was. Oh wait, yeah, it is. Okay, here's the ride. This is fine. I don't really care because yeah, that's not where I live. But 58 miles. 58-mile ride for 60 bucks. So in my market, I get paid just around $1 per mile. It always comes out like that. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I pretty much get $1 or a little bit more per mile. I guess with the minutes and stuff. And then the tip on this one, guys. This is what I was saying. This is why I love driving for Lyft. $15 tip on one ride. Like that ride, 60 bucks. Yeah, it was 58 miles there. 60 bucks. I probably would have been happy with that. Like I said, this is just part-time, but for me, I went way out of my way for this guy. I always go way out of my way for passengers. I always try to do things that would make somebody want to tip me. So what I do is, like for instance, this guy, when I went to pick him up, he was on one side of the road and I was driving on the other. Most drivers would just pull over and have him cross the street. But I slowed down. I said, "Hey, I'm your driver. I'm gonna pull around so I can pick you up on your side." So already he knows I'm going out of my way for him. It was a long ride to the airport. Around, what was it? Hour and 28-minute ride. So definitely not a short ride. Definitely a little bit longer ride. And he, I actually opened the door for him. And what I did, guys, I opened up my front door. So what you want to do is you always want to invite people to sit up front with you, especially if they're by themselves. That way, it just right away gets rid of the whole like taxi cab feeling of it, where somebody just sits in your back seat. And for me, I invite the person to sit up front with me. You know, we're having a good time. We're talking about cars. He's asking me questions. So what I do is I fire back questions right back at him. So he started asking me, oh, you know, he's like, "Oh, sorry, I'm taking you all the way down to San Diego. You know, that's going to be a long trip for you." And I said, "Oh, you know what? I don't mind at all. I love San Diego. This is actually perfect for me because now I get to sit down. I'm going to go to one of my favorite cafes in San Diego I haven't been to in months." And he's like, "Oh, okay, cool. So I'm not being inconvenient for you?" I'm like, "No, dude. I love these longer trips. I get paid more, blah, blah, blah." And then what I did, because I knew we were going to be sitting in rush hour, is I go, "Yeah, the traffic though, I don't get paid much per minute, so you know, it makes much more sense for me to drive long trips when I'm just racking up miles." And so, you know, we're sitting in traffic and he goes, "Oh, you're not getting paid too much for this." So I don't know about that, but I think, you know, we're just having a good conversation, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I'm gonna go over another I think it was last week that I went out driving, and I almost made the same amount of money, but I did like 9 rides. So you guys will see the power of Lyft and the power of driving and just how much you can make on a good ride. This was a great ride for me. I mean, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, like I said, it was a 58-mile ride. Keep in mind, I did have to drive back. I did put a destination filter on, but then I had to talk to my buddy about something, so I ended up just talking to him on the way back home. And you know, the ride flew by because there was no traffic by the time I got home. And you know, because I went and sat at that cafe, like I said, and then went home. And what was I gonna say? I actually really had to go to the bathroom, and I went inside, and I went to this like random park bathroom, and there was like these homeless people like like showering in the bathroom, which whatever. So I ended up, anyways, but yeah, it was 58 miles there, and then 58 miles back. Like I said, I just talked to my buddy on the way home, so it was a breeze of a ride. I came back, got home around 8, and then just, you know, went to the gym and did my normal thing. However, let me show you guys a week ago when I went out, or maybe 2 weeks ago when I went out and did 9 rides in one night, and I made just around the same amount of money. So let me go back. All right, so this is when I went out on Saturday, October 5th. This is a whole night of driving. As you can see, I did around nine rides or so. Shoot, go back. I did around 9 rides or so and got just around $72 for that whole night. $50 in ride earnings. So right there with that one ride I did on Tuesday, I made more on that one ride than I did on the whole night of driving. And in total too, I made 76 bucks. And this one was only 72. And this one, look how long. I went out at 9:49 p.m. all the way until 12:30. So just about 3 hours of driving to make less than what I did in one ride. So this is what I wanted to just say, guys. I mean, and here we can go right now. I mean, this is my earnings for right now. Let's go to my dashboard. This is where I'm at right now, $176.29 for one ride. Oh yeah, I also did want to show you guys. I hope you guys are also doing this too. It would be silly if you guys aren't. I always do, if you go right here on your earnings and go down, it says make $125 by inviting new drivers. That's my code. I also have another code too, but whatever. You can make extra money just by referring. So I have I think I have 2 or 3 referrals in there. And this is, I definitely count this out per hour too. So, cause I basically refer my passengers to become drivers, cause I tell them how much I love driving. So let's just say 176, and then let's just do by 2 hours, you know, even let's just count the waiting time. So what's 176 divided by 2? That's $88 per hour, guys, that I'm making this week so far. I mean, like I said, it doesn't take me any extra time to refer a new driver, and I totally recommend referring new drivers too, or new passengers too. It's a great way to add to your weekly income. I'm all about finding little ways to make extra money. Like I said, the gas thing, the GetUpside. You get a few extra cents per gallon back. Yeah, it's not a lot, but you know, when you add these things up, like Play Octopus, Cargo, you know, I'm not a full-time driver, so I don't really use Cargo, but, or, you know, I'm not driving too much, so I'm not hitting those 70 hours a week like some of those other drivers are out there. I don't know how you guys drive more than 40 hours a week. I mean, I've done those weeks before, and gosh, those are tiring weeks. So doing that week after week after week, I commend you guys. Good on you for doing that. I respect you guys. Keep up the good work, keep up the hustle. For me, like I said, 10-15 hours a week, 20 hours a week tops, probably. That's great for me. I love just having the little side cash. You know, these YouTube ads, the ads on the videos, yeah, there's a few extra cents there. It's, yeah, the driver referrals, like going out and making some rides, 76 bucks on one ride, you know, 75 bucks a day, an extra day. That's amazing. So I'm just saying, this is why I love using Lyft, driving for Lyft, because it just adds just extra great cash to have. And so you know, I can go out and buy my mom a TV for her birthday. You know, I love having the freedom to do that. Before driving, I really, if I wanted to buy my mom a TV for her birthday, I wouldn't be able to. I really wouldn't. I would have to say, sorry mom, you know, I don't make enough money, I'm not able to. But now, if I want to buy her something, I can just say, oh, I'm gonna sign on and drive until I hit that number, whatever it is. And yeah, guys, so I mean, that's it. That's all I have for today's video. Again, I am trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We have 2.5 months to do it. Let's try to get there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up, and I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. And let me know down below, how much money are you making per week driving for Lyft? You guys are the best. I will talk to y'all soon. All right, bye, guys.